think I'm learning to live without it. You know, I'm in school too. And these all these things. So we rely on it. Okay, so let's start with that we left off. APs.
I like sticking up a little.
Yeah, because I have too many in here. Let's take- Oh, there, that's. Something else.
That's different.
If this is, what number is that?
30.
So what number is that?
$29.
It is. Can you tell me what you were thinking about? You came up with some strategy, it looks like. What was it?
I was like saying like always like, so if it's at 30 right there, so if it's 30 then the T. And I was like, oh, maybe I started at 27, 28, 29, 30. I was like, oh, and then I went to 30, and then I was like 29.
Okay, so you picked 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then you tried it again. That's a good strategy. Yep, go a little lower. Back up. See okay. So if this is 31, what would this one be?
28.
Let's see. Want to check? You are correct. Check. Right, started to record. I did. Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Doubting myself. 28. Okay. If this one is 28, what's this one?
30.
Mm-hmm.
Because you slipped it a little.
Okay.
All
right.
I
You
just
know
see
that.
the
Let's count backwards. Ready?
31, 30, 29, 28, 27.
Okay. Well. Okay. Didn't know I put this in. What number is that?
21.
So what number is that?
22.
Let's see. Let's put the chip here. Which way did you just count? She's subbing. She's está de suplente en TK boy. Ah, sí. ¿Cuántos necesitas?
Is it 23?
Good. Okay. So let's hear you count.
21,
21.
22, 23.
Okay. I'm pointing this way. Which way are we going to count? Point this way.
Up.
Up. Okay. What makes you think it's up?
Down.
Then which way would you count if I count this way?
Going down.
Right? It would go down. As line this way. So 22 would actually be next. Notice we got rid of the power bar. I don't have my erasers here anymore. Okay, so we're going to count down. So let's count down.
21, 22, 23, 22.
Okay. So let's see. What do you think this is?
22.
Looking to right before 21.
What, 19?
Almost, you almost said it. You got to say that, weren't you? So what do you notice about these two numbers?
That it has a 1 at the end, that one has a 0 at the end.
Does 0 come before 1? Yep. Did this one change? Nope. Is it gonna change this time? 2, a 2. Do you think this one's gonna start with a 2? Yep. What comes right before 20?
21?
Oh, that comes right after.
19?
Yeah. What does 19 look like?
1 and a 9 to change.
It did change. So the first one changed. Now this is a little tricky. Does 9 come before 0? It comes way after. So what do you think is going on here? Do you remember what family those were?
The teens.
So this is the very end of the teens. So what happens when we get to 9?
The number change?
Yeah. Because we're going to enter the 20s. So that 9, what do we end up doing?
Change it to a 0?
Yeah, we go back to 0. So once we hit a 9, we're going to go all the way back to 0 with this digit. Start over. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get up to 99. What's going to happen to that digit?
It's gonna change.
Back to 0. And what's going to happen to this one?
It stays the same.
Then we'll be back at 20. Does that make? We're going to change families, right? And go to. So then that one will change. So once we have a 9, they are both going to change. This one's going to go 1 higher. This one's going to go all the way back to 0. Right?
Well, lower.
Okay. Let's count backwards. Ready?
21, 20, 19, 18, 17.
Okay, so a good memory. So let's see. What number's that?
20,
So what's this?
18,
So let's see. This one.
21.
Where's the 19? Good job. How'd you know that so fast?
Because we just checked them. We
Okay.
just checked them all.
Okay. 30. Try it with this one. Okay. So I have the same pattern, right? 8, 8, 7, 7, but it's a different hand. Whoop. All right, what number is that?
29.
What's going to happen to this one?
The end number's gonna change.
I'm going to go
1 lower.
all, the end one? I'm going to go all,
All over.
right? So what number are we going to see here?
The 2, the 8, me is 3 and a 0.
Good job. Okay, 3 to 0. Every time we see a 9 at the end, even that actually is true, even when we're in the hundreds. Every time we see a 9 at the end, the next number goes all the way back to 0 at the end. Let me prove this to you. 100. Oh no. Well, let's just do 109. The very next number is 110. So look, they still went all the way back to 0. Now these, yeah, but even 1,469. Very next number is 1,470.
It's 70.
Look, that 9 went all the way back to 0 every single time. Last one. All the way back to 0. You won't learn these till 3rd grade. But don't worry about the other digits, just that last digit, okay? Okay, so what number is that?
31.
What number is that?
$29.
What'd you do that time? Why are you whispering?
I said 27, 28, 29.
Okay, good job. Let's try with this one, same pattern. What number is this?
E1.
This would be-
50. 50?
Yep.
59.
59. It has a 9 in it. What number is that?
49.
Yeah. So how'd you get 59? What was your strategy? What were you thinking about when you did all that thinking?
I said 57, 58.
Got it. Because that does work, right? It does work to try that, just that if it's 47. So that's a pretty good strategy. We'll be working on these numbers and how to cross over. That's what we're going to focus on this month, okay? How to cross these families. Sound good? Okay. Let's try. I think we have one last one. Yep, there's the last one. Okay, so where's that?
41, 40, 39, 38, 37.
Okay.
30.
What number is that?
$40.
Good job. Why'd you do that? Did you count up again? Good. So that strategy works, huh? What number is that?
41.
So what number is that?
38.
How do you know that so fast? What number is that?
40.
What's that?
37.
You have memorized, don't you? Okay. We'll see if we still have memorized. Okay. This time we're going to just review these. Remember the chocolate box? How many dots? We said.
1,
So how many more do I need to fill the box?
4.
How many to clean out?
3,
How many to fill the box?
2,
Got it. How many?
2,
How many to fill it?
3,
How many there?
4,
How many to fill it?
1.
You. Ready? Tell me the partner. Thank you. You have one and what makes five? What's the part that makes five?
4,
Four and
1,
one and what makes five?
4,
One and
4,
three and
2,
four and
1,
four and
1,
three and
2,
one and
4,
two and
3, 3,
two and
3,
four and
1,
three and
2,
four and
1,
two and
3,
are your psychic abilities? What numbers on this card?
2,
A one. One and what makes five?
4.
You know these. We're ready to move on. You're ready to move on to 10. Okay. Okay. That's the one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you're really good. You added all the way up to 100. Do you remember that?
So I remember what makes
Yay. Some takeaways. Let's warm up. Do a warm up. What if there's 25 here? And see if you can do the secret number. Put some under here. There's 25 there. I put some under here. Now there's 27. How many I put under?
2,
What if there's 35 under here? And I put some under here, and now there's 38.
there's 35 here.
Right?
3,
You are good at this. It's teacher appreciation cards. Awesome. Thank you. Hi. Awesome. Lots of good stuff.
Sí, con que no sabemos.
Am I supposed to?
Sí.
I like Star Trek better now.
Mira, bueno.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
That's racing.
Okay, so you are next. Thanks. We'll do a couple of scissors.
Yeah. For the starter.
How about if there's 58 here? And some under here. Now there's 61.
How much
That's what I.
58.
I know, I don't know what it is.
and how much is sales altogether?
61.
2,
Let me hear you count it out. What did you say?
how much was under
50.
here? 58. 3,
Yep, how'd you do it that time?
Thank you, ladies.
Now we have distractions. You did really well. How did you end up doing it?
I said 58. I said 58. I said 58. 59. 60 the amount of like, I was like, as a matter of fact, these are 61. I was like, oh, if I have one right here, that's 3.
Okay. Like when they come, they haven't come in a while. All right. Okay, we're gonna try some takeaways using what you know. What if we have, it's something I know you can get. If there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 14, ooh, 15 here. 15. I take these away. How many are under here now?
13.
So which way did you count that time?
I said 15, then count down.
Count down. Right, because I took them away. Good job. 15. How about if there's 25 here? And I take these away. What did I say? 25? 25 and I take those.
22.
Good job. And I like how you gave them the fingers to good job, right? How about if there's
25, 26,
31 and I take these three away on their left.
27.
37. Tell me how you counted that.
31,
1.
29, 28, 27.
Okay. 31, 29, 28, 27. How about if there's 22 under here? And I take these away. 3 away.
17.
And can you count that out loud for me? 22, right?
22, 21, 29, 20, 29, 19, 18, 17.
If there's 45, take away these 4.
How much you sell here?
45.
41.
You got it. Good job. Okay. Got 10 minutes. Good. Okay, just
Yay!
let's try, yeah. I'll be coming one of my favorites. Still have an eraser.
Okay.
We're an after game.
Can I write the numbers? Sticky sash one.
Yep. Well, last time we just got all mixed up numbers, huh? The after game? Okay. After. What comes right after 39?
29.
39. What comes right after 39? The next number.
38.
That comes right before it. What comes right after it? What happens to that 9 every time we get to a 9?
40.
It is 40. Okay. What comes right? These high numbers. Okay, forget that one. What comes right after 48?
47.
That comes right before. Comes right after. The next number.
60, 61.
What's gonna happen to the 8?
It's gonna change
We only change that.
when it's a 9.
Yeah. So what's this 8 gonna change? to?
Nothing.
It's gonna change. You're gonna go up.
80,
It's gonna be 49. Right? We're gonna keep that. We're gonna go up to 9.
98,
49.
9,
49.
98,
49.
50,
No, right after 48 is 49.
49,
Comes right after 53.
54,
See that? Kept this one, change that. Okay. Keep this, we change that. What comes right after 21?
22,
What comes right after 84?
85,
Yep. What comes right after 79?
90,
You got the 0, right? And we're gonna put that all the way back.
80,
You got it, 80. What comes right after 57?
58,
What comes right after 40?
41,
What comes right after 63?
64,
Okay. Use 29. Okay. It'll be blue or red?
blue,
You go first. Comes right after 84. Got it. Right after 79, 80. Comes right after 57. What comes right after 40?
ooh,
41. Ooh. Right after 60. That's right after 39. Ooh, 40. We're neck and neck. What? Ooh, you blocked me. 21, 22. Oh, wait, no, you didn't. Oof. 48, 49. I blocked you. Ooh, you blocked me. Cat's game. 3, a tie. 54. All right, what rematch?
be back because nobody won.
I'm gonna slip these in here so we always can play quicker. All right, go for it. 21, 22, 39, 84, 85, 57, 58.
75,
48, 40.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oof, I blocked you.
Oh, me.
53.
I have another way.
Oh, yeah, you do. 64, 63, 64. 79.
I need that.
We both needed it. We can get a quick game and would have won with that one. Almost a tie. 40, 41. Okay, it's one tie and one win. All right, you gotta beat me. Twenty-one, 22, 84, 85, 40, 41, 63, 64, 940. You blocked me. Good job. 79, 80. 57,
Yeah.
58, 48, 49, and we both
52.
need that to win. You win.
Yay.
Good job. Okay, I'm gonna put these in here so that we can play right away next time. That you know we're using those. We can play the game before game 2. All right. Good to have you back.
I have like this bubble shoe that I got from Disneyland. Like it's a real one, like it shoots out